Hello everyone, this is Rita and I'm here today to share with you the finished journal for Collage Type and Tatty Treasures collaboration. And there was a few of us making these journals, different types, and they'll all be listed in the comments below. But now I'm finished, and it started in October and then I got sick and I couldn't finish it, so here we go. First of all, it's 5.5 wide and it's 9 1/4 tall, and the spine is a little over an inch. And this was from a very old book that I only saved the cover because the rest of it wasn't any good. And this is a file folder that Tanya from Tatty Treasures sent to me, and I used it for the hard part of the journal, the book part. And then I just put a little tie around here because I don't think it needs to be tied closed if you don't want to. Okay, so inside here is the first page, and I have, these were some of the images that came with the kit, and they're available in Tanya at Tatty Treasures shop or at Collage Type. There's different styles, and each one has different kind of papers and things. So behind each one of these I put this little journal card. Come on. Like that. And then I just stuck a little journal card there, and I have the same thing here. Little journal card. And these are all from the kit. Then over here I have a window envelope that I made. This is a napkin. And then on here is a tag that I just put together. I don't know if that's gonna... Oh, I'll have to go back and, well, let me do it now because I can't go back because I forget to go back. So if you ever get one of my journals in there and there's something that's not glued down, it's because I forgot to go back and do it. I just don't want it to rip off. Okay. This was one of those little designs out of that book I have, that's the black and white botanicals that Kathy sent me. It's so great. Wish I could make copies. Okay, and then here's a journal page, and then here we have an envelope. Are you able to see this? Oh darn, it's not good. I'm sorry. Anyway, here's a ultra paper clip, and then inside here is a journal card like this. This is not in the kit. These flowers are in another kit, Collage Type. I think they're actually in the planner kit from last year, one of the months. I don't know which one though, but I just love that paper with this. So that goes on there, and then we close that. And you can journal in here too. And here's some more journaling space. These 2 pages in here. I have a lot of empty pages, more than I usually have, but there's plenty of room for you guys to add photographs or add more pockets. It's a little more naked than I usually do. So I just put some embellishments on these pages here. A little tuck here with a couple little journal cards in there. And more journaling room. This one has this little journal card, and it has a little pocket that I left with these gentlemen in it. Okay. And then this card, this is a journal card here with this in this little pocket here. And then we have writing space here, and then I have this postcard that I made a long time ago for Tatty Treasures Challenge, and yeah, it was so fun and cute, and I got to use it in here. So I want to make some more of those postcards. They are fun to do. So this is tied. This is the first part of the signature, and we have some more journaling pages. A little pocket here with a journal card in it. A little tag here. Just some cute little things. Here we have like 3 pockets. So we've got this journal card here, and this larger journal card here. And then we have another journal card here. Get those back. And then here is a drop down so you can journal here. Okay. This little lace holds that from flipping down when you turn the pages. Little stamping there. Another stamp. Another stamp. And then we have a pocket here with the journal card. And some more stamp. Then in this section, these were from that book, from that botanical, the pages that Kathy sent. And then here's a little journal card. This is from the kit. And then another one of the images, which I loved. And this one here is Monarch Prince, her tag. Okay, and then here this clips on like that. You have journaling inside there, and then there's a, hold on, I probably glued it in. Just one little tab of glue holds it. Okay, so here's a little journal card in here. Put a little tab on that. And then on this side, we have, I guess it goes this way, this little journal card. Okay, and then this was just clipped on. You can move it wherever you want, right there. Blank page, and then journaling space here, and I put some washi little flower. Those were her images, so I have a lot of those in here because they're really neat. Another journal card, tag card, and then this one here pops out like that, and it has a journal card in the front here. Stenciled a little on that back. Okay, this is the one Denise at UK Junk Journals UK on her YouTube videos. I saw her make this, and I made one. So, and these little are expandable pockets, so you can add more things in there if you'd like. It has enough room. So just ripped edge paper and a little journal card there. That's another pink monarch. And another page here and here and all kinds of pages. There's another pocket with a journal card here. Somebody sent those. I'm not quite sure yet. Right now who it was. And then this was an envelope, and I changed it into a pocket of sorts. Come on. Okay. This here is a journaling space here, and then here is a journal card, and that goes in that section. Why are these so hard to get back here? And then you have journaling space here too. Okay, and that just flips over. And then there's a pocket up here with another card from, I don't know if that is from the kit or Pink Monarch. I'm not sure. Okay. Here is another little journal card. You could put whatever you want up there. And then there's a pocket here and a couple little things. This is from the kit, these pockets. There's so much in the kit. You have plenty of stuff. There's some lace on the edge of that page. My page there, my little stamp there. And then here's the writing board for you to write, to put in between your pages if there's thickness, like right here, this one's really thick. Well, you don't have to write on this side, but if you needed to write on here, you've got the writing board to make a hard surface right here in your journal. And then on the back, I also have the little journal cards there and here. They're like little belly bands, these people. And then they have the metal corners, and this is the back. And that's it. There are 2 signatures, and they're 68 pages. So I will have this listed on my what's the name of it? Cartel website. The link will be in there, and you can go in there and just purchase if you would like. I know it's close to Christmas, and you may want to wait till later to purchase if you're interested in it, or purchase it early. I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye. I'm sorry, I've got one little thing here. This is the envelope I worked out of with all my ephemera, and I'm going to put this in also with the kit. They're not in any order. They're just little pieces that I had left over, and so when somebody purchases the journal, I will put this in with it. Then you can add there's quite a few blank pages. That's why I thought it would be nice to give you some of the leftover pieces that I've cut out. And then if you can always go and purchase the kit if you wanted to add more or make it your own journal. Okay, so that's going to go with it too. All right, so again, goodbye.